Hello everyone, I am Praveen. In this video, we will learn as a model. What is model? A model is a verb used with another verb. It means main verb to express the attitude of the speaker. To express the attitude of the speaker. First we know in this video use of can. 13 models are presented in this all over the grammar. All over the grammar. First, can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, dare, used to, ought to, need. First, we learn use of can for power, ability, या capacity. Example: we can swim in this river. We can speak in English. Here, our most important fact, we can use can. Its meaning is be able to, be capable to, know how to. He can speak English. He can speak English. We use in the three patterns. First, he is able to speak English. He is capable to speak English. He knows how to speak English. And second, for permission, example, can I sit here? Can I sit here? You can go home. You can go home. Most important facts here also. Can meaning is be allowed to, be permitted to. You can go home. We use in the sentence with two patterns. You are permitted to go home. We are allowed to go home. Next use for theoretical possibilities. It means सैद्धांतिक संभावना. Example: anybody can make mistake. Anybody can make mistake. Electricity can be dangerous. Next use for habit or nature. For habit or nature. Its example: a liar can deceive anyone. A liar can deceive anyone. A saint can harm no one. I hope this video is very important for all of you. So must watch completely and share your friends, like and subscribe. Thank you very much.